Time is too short for the NEET exam. Don't know how to score 600, 650 plus marks in NEET in such a short time. Must be wondering how to revise chapters quickly, which questions to practice, which mock test to take, and how to clear doubts. Don't worry. With Career Orbit's fast track online crash course for NEET, you can prepare easily in the remaining short time and crack NEET with 600 to 650 plus marks like these students. To help you quickly revise a chapter, the crash course has smart interactive notes. With these notes, you can revise a chapter in 2 to 3 hours. These notes cover all the important concepts. While reading these notes, if you don't recall a concept, then on just a click, you can get complete explanation of that concept right there. This way, you can revise a chapter so quickly and that too so deeply. Simply preparing or revising chapters is not enough for cracking NEET. You also need to be able to answer questions correctly in the NEET exam. The crash course has a set of important NEET questions. You must practice these questions thoroughly for scoring 650 plus marks in NEET. If you go wrong on a question, you get detailed step-by-step explanation. With these step-wise explanations, you can find your mistake at a glance, like up to step 2 or 3, your answer matches, but in the next step, you committed a silly mistake or a logical mistake. In biology questions, you not only get explanation for the correct option, but also for the incorrect options. That is how you learn the right steps, clear your doubts in less than a minute, and save time. You also need to build your accuracy for that 650 plus marks in NEET. While you practice these questions, we track every question wrongly answered by you and make your personal revision list. These questions represent your weaker areas. Using your personal revision list, you should practice these questions to ensure that next time you can answer each of such questions correctly. That is how you can improve your accuracy for sure. For cracking NEET, revising chapters, practicing questions and clearing doubts are not enough. You should be able to attempt the complete NEET paper within the given time, answer all the questions quickly and of course correctly too. In the Career Orbit's crash course, you get mock tests at multiple levels like chapter-wise mock tests, unit-wise or part tests, full syllabus mock tests. With mock tests at every stage of preparation, you develop time management skills and test taking skills in a step-wise manner. These mock tests are as per the latest NEET pattern. You can take any test anytime as per your own study plan. When you submit a test, you get results same time. You also get to know which questions took you extra time. You also get detailed step-by-step explanations for quick doubt clearance. Experience the fastest crash course by Career Orbits for 650 plus score in NEET. Take a free trial now.